How to block a YouTube channel? Strictly speaking, you cannot completely block a YouTube channel as a viewer, though we will use the term block for this guide. Instead, using a built-in option, you can stop it from appearing in your recommendations and on your feed. However, this does not stop you from sharing the channel elsewhere like in search results or external sites. When you block a YouTube channel, it is applied at an account level to improve your account recommendations. If you block a channel on your computer, it's automatically blocked on your mobile. Remember, no one else will know that you have blocked a channel. This includes the channel owner. They receive no information and it does not appear in their statistics. It also does not display anywhere on your channel if you have one. Now, firstly, in order to block the channel, follow these instructions. Open any web browser, and if you are not already signed in, then sign in to your YouTube account. Once signed in, find a video from a channel you want to block on the YouTube homepage. This won't work from another page. Simply click or tap the three vertical dots next to the video title, then select Don't Recommend Channel. If you made a mistake, then simply select Undo. When you block a channel with YouTube's built-in feature, it only applies to your home feed, so the channel you blocked may still show up in your YouTube search results. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.